Want a stylish clock that does more than just tell time? How about a smart lock that unlocks without you having to enter a password or even a fingerprint? From the wildest FPV drones to the best earbuds on the market, you don't want to miss this week's lineup of gadgets. Let's get into it. Kean Smart Lock prides itself on being an innovative 0-second locking and unlocking system. It has a simple, stylish, and practical design that guarantees your door remains locked until it's unlocked. Sounds complicated, right? Well, hear me out, because here's the fun part. Its immediate locking system is powered by a smart latch mechanism with enhanced safety and additionally installed smart door chains. In addition, thanks to its modular wireless platform, you can unlock the door without using your fingerprint or password. No hassle, just turn the door handle and you're in. It's just as though the door was never locked. And if you prefer old school, you can opt for the fingerprint or keypad unlock feature. You see, its GeoForce technology allows you to open the door using your smartphone. Also, you can set passwords, schedule timeframes, audit trails, set up devices, and perform one-touch key issuing all from your phone. It's got a stylish design that comes in different colors to match any kind of door. Finding chopsticks way too challenging to use and those YouTube tutorials aren't helping either? Then Autosticks is what you need. With a portable, detachable design, you can summon your chopsticks from your bag, purse, or wallet. Autosticks assemble! And voila, you can now effortlessly pick up your favorite meals. This is the world's first press-to-use chopsticks. With just one press, you can pick up your exotic meals. No complex skills are needed. It has a non-slip design that ensures those foods stay intact as they journey into your mouth. Furthermore, you don't have to worry about molds or it getting rusty, as it's rust and mold resistant. We've got its stainless steel and aluminum makeup to thank for that. Did I also mention it's super easy to clean? Just wipe or rinse with clean water and you're good to go. Every book reader out there would understand the challenges of reading books under poor lighting conditions. But with this light, you can read anywhere and anytime, regardless of the lighting condition. This book light has a truly exceptional design for a better reading experience. Trust me, it's nothing like anything you've ever seen. Its design is so excellent, it spreads optimal luminosity across the pages, resulting in a reading experience that maintains contrast while scattering light for minimal glare. With its light control button, you can set the light intensity ideal for reading, and it automatically remembers your preferred settings. The Bowie light removes the need to switch the reading light from one side to the next as you turn the pages and try to avoid shadows and glares. This light is designed from the finest craft materials and state-of-the-art technology to ensure that you read in the most convenient way possible. What do you say about a gadget considered a blast from the past with a touch of modern-day technology? Meet Nixie X, the authentic IN12 Nixie tube clock and speaker. It's as if Jules Verne collaborated with Elon Musk to create a timepiece that transcends time. With its retro-styled tube clock illuminating a soft glow to tell you the time and a speaker with actual buttons and knobs, it's the ultimate retro-styled centerpiece that suits any room. This vintage-esque gadget also emits sound from its built-in speaker, with the volume indicating the audio level, as with old sound systems when you connect via Bluetooth. It's elegant and aesthetically beautiful, giving that nostalgic feeling. Its gas-filled tubes tell the time in glorious, futuristic steampunk fashion, and to top it off, it features a built-in alarm clock to help you stay on track of your day. Let's talk about customization. The Nixie X is not just a clock, it's a canvas for your creativity. With customizable RGB LEDs, you can make your clock glow in hues that match your mood. From tranquil blues to fiery reds, it's the kind of personal touch that turns a gadget into a statement piece. Beats Fit Pro is Apple's attempt to appeal to a broader market, and boy did it work. It connects seamlessly with Android devices as it does with iPhones. It's designed to fit perfectly into any ear type without inconveniences, thanks to its 3 different ear tips. Also, its design makes it ideal for use over longer periods, whether working out or doing long office hours. In terms of sound quality, you can trust Beats to deliver. It offers powerful and balanced sounds produced by a custom proprietary transducer and spatial audio for an all-immersive sound. They also offer premium features like active noise cancelling, automatic ear detection, onboard button control with 3 listening modes, easy access to voice-controlled assistant, and transparency mode when you need to hear what's happening around you. The Avada FPV is not just a drone, it's a time machine. With its first-person view ultralight VR-like goggles, you can teleport yourself to the cockpit of an F-22 and experience flight like a futuristic falcon with a GoPro. It's the closest thing to being an actual bird without, the feathers. It features a gimbaled 4K camera that delivers excellent aerial video. The goggles boast a sharp 1080p 100 frame per second display with generous diopter controls. The drone is flown with a joystick which you use by squeezing the trigger and swiveling your hand. And just in case you're a little lousy at flying, the drone can bounce back and maintain the same altitude when it hits an obstacle. Then, once you've recovered from a near fail, you can bring it to a hovering halt with one click. Avada comes with a cool feature called Turtle Mode, which lets it jump to its feet should the drone fall on its back. It also has a return home feature as well as downward sensors for added safety. In addition, it has an impressive battery capacity, especially for a drone at this level of functionality. The SanDisk Xtreme portable SSD gives you more storage with even better durability. Being an SSD storage device, it speeds up your workflow, especially for photographers and videographers. You get to transfer files at up to 550 megabytes per second, and it's compact with a pocket-sized design, so you get to move files faster and safer. To top it off, it's dust and waterproof. Thinking of the perfect gift for kids? Look no further. This Technic Robot brings out the builder in children as they're immersed in long hours of play trying to assemble their robot kit while learning about the robotics world. With 5 modes, kids can control their robot any way they choose, whether on flat or rough ground via the remote control. It's a simple STEM project for kids with easy-to-follow, colorful building guidelines that kids find irresistible. This challenging building experience helps improve their hand-to-eye coordination, and furthermore, the robot is powered by a high-performance motor that provides power and a rechargeable lithium battery that lasts up to 30 minutes. We'll catch you later.